In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting one of your apps you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then tap on those three dots at the top right corner to select floating window and click on this tiny one. As you can see now, I can use my app in this window. To move it around, hold this line and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. To use it in full screen view, click at the top left corner, and to close it completely, top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!